So you see a stock drop significantly in 1 week. This is a weekly chart, moving from about 250 all the way in 1 week to about 130. So you decide to yourself, you know what? It's really dropped significantly. This is the time to buy right there. And yes, in this example, you get a little bit of an uptick. And if you waited too long, you'd find yourself in the following months holding the instrument under 70. So I've talked about this for many years. One needs to stop making this buying mistake right there, because this is the absolute worst time to buy. And here's why. As I stated, probably have hundreds of videos on my YouTube channel discussing this. The worst time to buy any instrument is when the RSI on the big time frames, for example the weekly and the monthly, are showing that the RSI is below 30.9. Now you might wonder, where do we get this 30.9 number? Well, take 61.8 and divide it by 2. It's a simpler way of showing how this number is valid. So below RSI 30.9, which traditionally the RSI is by default set between 70 and 30. Of course, I can prove that it is actually 30.9 would be the correct level. So if you make the error of buying the instrument, and you can see since this drop, the RSI has never moved out of this bearish range. It did attempt to move out of that range, but you can see it was rejected right here, giving these highs of late December 2021. And as long as it is trapped below this area, it means that you are gonna keep testing prior lows, testing them and potentially making lower lows. Even right now, the risk continues to be for lower prices. This might be a multi-month situation. In other words, it's gonna take many months to correct this. Lower prices, and at some point the technicals come out of RSI 30.9, and it is this divergence where in the following weeks and months prices go down and the RSI improves. This divergence is what sets the stage at some point in the weeks and months ahead, sets the stage for a more meaningful bounce. So buying here, frankly, is a rookie beginner's error and a huge mistake. If you want more information about what I call RSI 30.9 deceleration, there are going to be links linking you to other YouTube videos in the description of this video. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. I leave you as I found you, in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. Go forth rejoicing in the power and in the peace of the one creator. Adonai.